So this one, I've already checked the charge port and it's fine. So if I plug it in, I literally get nothing. Actually, I think I did check the charge port and it wasn't fine. I think there's a couple of bent pins in there. So that's all I'm assuming it is. Nice, easy fix. So I'm going to get into it now and try and repair it. It's got all the screws. Condition's pretty good. It's missing its serial number, but condition's okay. Screen seems to be okay. Couple of very light marks, but overall it's pretty good. The amount of blue screens I've had, I've mastered it now. Like, I know how to do blue screens with my eyes closed. And we have another console doctor, I swear. What is up with these console doctor consoles? They're obviously that bad that they all break. Either that or they can't repair it, I don't know. Yeah, the board looks okay. Don't see anything wrong. What I am going to do first though is attach a known charged battery, because if it is just a port, it would be nice and easy. Alright, got my spare battery here. Okay. And let's power on, see if we get any power. Ooh. Oh no, we don't. So it's not just a charge port. Ooh, interesting. We get absolutely nothing. It's dead. That is very strange. Ooh, I'm gonna like this one. This one might take me a while. All right, well, let's get the board out and inspect it, see what's going on. All right, that's the board out now. So first things first, let's inspect the board. Okay. So it has had a charge port replacement or something. There's flux all down here. Oh, and M92. So they've already changed it. But did they check the fuse? Oh, what have they done? Interesting. Well, let me check the fuse first, because they might be so stupid that they didn't check the fuse. So I've got my multimeter here on voltage DC. No, I don't. Continuity mode. So we should hear a beep. Ah, so the fuse is fine. Okay. So they've already changed a couple of things. Interesting. The port looks like broken as well. Oh my god, I don't know what they've done. Is this? Yeah, that's fine. Let's check for shorts. Fine. That's fine. That's fine. 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 It's fine. Alright, so we're okay around this area. This one. Yep, we're all fine there. So there's nothing wrong with those chips. But they could have put it on badly or put another 41 on. Loads of flux still. Let's just see if we're even getting any 15 volts through the fuse. Because they've already changed M92, I might even do that myself. All right, we getting 15 volts? No, we're getting nothing. It's literally stone dead. Why? It's a BQ. They haven't changed BQ, have they? I don't think they have. BQ chip controls the charging circuit, but we're not even getting anything. No. What about without the ammeter? So it's directly 15 volts. Oh no, it won't, because the charge port. Yeah, the charge port's busted. Huh. So let's change that first then, because I think that's busted inside. So if we just change that charge port quickly. Okay. Airflow is set to 440 degrees. Sorry, airflow set to 8 out of 8 at 440 degrees. And let's do it. All right, let's try it. Is this going to be solid? Yeah. Oh, the microscope. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, are we going to get a read in? Oh no, this charge port's naffed. No. No way. Ugh. Damn it. Bit melted inside, isn't it? Is it melted? See, this is why I need new ones. I haven't got any left. I've had to use this one from a donor board. Oh, I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. So if you look at the back anyway, you can see there's this flux everywhere. All that weird brown situation going on. M92's been changed. They haven't tested BQ though. But then we're not getting any. Look at that. I've melted it way too much. All right. I've got another donor board. So let me quickly get the port off the donor board and then do it properly this time. I'm actually going to do it properly this time, like added some leaded solder so it melts quicker. Less chance of it burning then. Alright, that's the port off. Oh, it's all that plastic there still. Oh, okay. There's a ripped pad. I never saw that before. Right, okay. So that probably explains why there's no power getting there. I'm not sure. We're going to have to quickly fix that first then. Okay. Let's do some trace repair. Let's get a good angle on the microscope. There we go. Okay. Oh, stop going out of focus. So I'm scraping back the trace to expose its copper. There you go. Lovely. Now I've got to get a wire and solder it down, but I've got to put solder on that pad first that I've just exposed. So a bit of flux. Boop. Some solder, leaded solder. Oh my god, leaded solder. Massive tip. It might be a bit too big. Yeah, it's not even touching it. Ugh. Got a new tip on there now. A nice smaller one. Well, it still looks big, but it's not. It's much smaller. Okay. Now you're going to take it. Still not. Ah, there you go. It's taking it slowly. Beautiful. Perfect. It might be a bit too big, but we'll sort that out at the end. Nice big blob. All right, I've got to go get a bit of wire. Actually, I've got a piece here. There you go. There's one right on my desk, on my table. It's a bit big, but we'll cut it down. Is that too big? I think that'd be all right, wouldn't it? Okay, turn it sideways because it's easier for me then. All right, here we go. Yep, just put that on there. I think there's enough solder. Okay, that's on. Yep. I'm going to try and snip the actual wire off instead. Yeah. Still a bit of excess there. All right, we'll cut it off with scalpel. Hate these. Tell you what, I'll just bend it into position instead. Oh, no, I won't. Okay, that's fine. There you go, that's fine. Okay, let's give that a clean. All right, I'm going to use some solder mask now. Oh, sugar. And it's the Mechanic. You can't really see that, it's too blurry. But it's like a green solder mask, and I'm going to cure it using my UV light. I am very shaky, guys, because this is the first time me being live, so just bear with me. And I've had coffee, obviously. Got to have coffee. That's way too much on there. Still way too much. Oh, don't leak everywhere. Don't leak everywhere. Just spread it about a bit. It was good there, actually. All right, I'm just going to cure it under my UV lamp quickly for 1 minute exactly. It's got a timer on it. Let's go. You can see it's all purple, so it's got to leave that on there for a minute. This is like the hardest one I've had because I actually don't know what's wrong with this one. The other ones are quite simple. They're just like blue screens and stuff like that. So I knew what the issue was. This one's an unknown issue. Whoever's been at it before has changed a few components and I have no idea what else he's done to it. Oh, there you go, it's done. And you can see it's hardened there. Nice and secure now. Yep, that's nice and hard. Think that should be okay? Nah, it needs to go a little bit longer. A little bit longer. All right, that should do it. I'm gonna add a little bit of hot air. All good, nice one, Joseph. All right, that should be good now. Yeah, that's nice and hard. So now I've got to get a, actually, let me prep these solder pads. Put leaded solder on it now. Sounds difficult. How many have you fixed so far? I have fixed 8 out of 10 that I've done. This is my 11th now. So only 2 that I haven't been able to repair. Why is that pad not taken? There you go. Now this is where I need a bigger tip. Oh my God. This tip's not big enough now. It's not giving out enough heat. That's fine. It's gonna have to melt it. Give it a bit of heat. There you go. Lovely. All right. Beautiful. Now I've got to get another port. So now we've got some leaded solder on there. It should melt much quicker. If I can get it focused. There you go. Bit of flux. Just a little bit. And here we go. This time I'm gonna take my time and wait for all of it to melt first before putting the port on. Alright, let's give it a little nudge test, see if they're soldered. Yep. Right, they're all solid. Check the bottom, see the mess at the bottom. Okay, yeah, let's see. No melting this time. No melting. All this flux, by the way, is not my flux. Oh, thank you, the gift. So let's see now if we get any power. Is there anything going to show up? 3, 2, 1. No, still nothing. That's crazy. It's literally not giving any power. Hang on, maybe this is tripped. Hold on a second. Hang on a minute. Let me see if it charges my phone. Yeah, all right. So there is actually power going through the cable. What about the other side? Gonna get power this side? No, I have no idea. So I'm gonna change the M92T36 chip next. Because they've changed that, so I never know what type they put on or what type of job they did. All right, let's get this chip off then. See what mess they've made. Tough call. I know, very tough call. All right, that's all clean now. Flux it. Yeah, there's a lot of flux already on there. All right, let's change out this chip. Where's that donor board I just had? This is my donor board. Nice, very clean board. Let's get this one off. And gone back to this board again, although it's filthy. Still needs cleaning properly. I'm not going to add any more solder to it. Just a bit of flux. Right, chip goes that way. It's got that dot has to match up with that triangle. Alright, I think that will do it for the M92. I think that's soldered on fine. Alright, that's the M92T36 replaced. The solder joints look amazing. Yeah, that looks good there. Looks in line there. Can't really tell at that angle. Yeah, that looks good enough. All right, let's have a look then, shall we? See if it powers up now. Wait, one looked crooked, did it? Let's have a look. Oh, I've lost it. Where is it? It's on that side. Let's try getting closer. Looks okay there. Yeah, that's okay there. Yeah, that's okay there. Yeah, looks all right. All right, let me just try it first. First MOSFET out of line. What? There's a MOSFET out of line? First MOSFET. What, over here? Oh, yeah, there we go. Thank you so much. Wow, did I knock that? I don't know if I knocked that. Yeah, I see it. Thank you, CG. No, nice spot. Nice one. Could that be causing our power issue? I don't know if I knocked that out of place. Do you know what I might have done actually? I don't know. Let's pop it back in. Jumped lovely into position. Thank you, Miles. I hope so. Fingers crossed it does work. All right, let's have a look. All right, do we get anything on the display? Oh my God, we do. Yes, come on, guys. Whoever spotted that MOSFET, CG, I think you're the one that found the issue. Thank you so much, along with that damage trace, obviously. But that is amazing. Nice one. I think that MOSFET was already knocked because it had no power beforehand, even with a battery plugged in. Oh my God, GG. Yeah, buddy, thank you. Woo. Good job, guys. Oh my God, that's amazing. I love that feeling. Nice. We're now getting a draw. Right, okay, I want to see if it charges first. So if we put the battery in, see if we're actually pulling an amp draw. Ready? Oh God, it's exciting. And we want it to, basically, we want the ammeter to turn on, turn off, and then back on again. That means it's booting. Let's have a look. All right, it's on. No, oh, 22. Oh my God, it works. It's actually booted into its operating system. That is a healthy draw, 290, 280 milliamps. Right, okay. So this is now working. And there's a damage trace under the charge port. I don't know if M92 was an issue, but we changed that anyway. And now it looks a lot cleaner than what job they'd done. And also CGX spotted the MOSFET was knocked. I really want to know now. Actually, I might look back on stream in a bit and have a look if it was already knocked or not, because I don't remember knocking it. But anyway, I'm waffling. Let's put it in its body again, into its shell. Are you in the UK? Yes, I am. I am in England, near London. Well, sort of near London. Right, let's have a look. We get a display. Right, yes, we've got a charger indicator. So it's too flat to power up. So we're gonna have to wait for it to charge up a little bit. Yes, you did, mate. Yes, you did use it. Oh, there goes powering on now. Yes, you used it spot on. Right, we're on 1%. Here we go. Oh, it's got child lock on. That's absolutely fine. I could turn that off using my phone. So let's see if it connects to the internet. That's always my first protocol. Internet settings. Now we're drawing 0.63 amps. Amazing. Wow, they connected to a lot of connections. Silver Birch Hotels. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Hang on. The one I fixed earlier today. What? This must like come from the same person because they had the exact same one. Huh. Probably the same family. Anyway, hurts when I pee. 2 seconds, guys. I've got to type in my password for my router. Okay. See if it's connecting. Fast charging. Yes, it is. Yes. The switch is fixed. Yes, it is. It's working. I've got to try the game card in there and everything else. That button's a bit iffy. I think it's come out of place. Yeah, it's come out of place. But it looks like it's working fine to me. Can't turn the brightness up. Oh, there you go. Okay. Yeah. All right, give this a big scrub down. It's flux everywhere. Yeah, it's actually clean now. It's fine. Put it back in its shell then, along with everything else. Yeah, it's all fixed. Happy days. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I am going to leave it there, though, because otherwise I'm just going to be talking all night. And there's no other content, really, for me to do right now. I'll see you in the next video, if there is one. There will be.